From these small saloon cars, Fiat developed the city car concept at the end of the 1970s. The first expression of this design idea was the new Fiat Ritmo in 1978, seen here in its Abarth racing colors. In the mid-80s, Fiat's small saloon line and mini car lines converged as the 126 and 127 were retired to be replaced with Fiat Uno. The Uno was practical and comfortable, with award-winning design and low fuel consumption. It was much imitated throughout Europe. Although Fiat had long been retired from the world of Formula One racing, the company still recognized the marketing value of competition, especially in Italy. So Fiat promoted the Uno with an Abarth rally version, created to race in local and international road rallies.